So one of the classes that was most hands-on for me, Christine Denneker teaches a contemporary rhetorical theory course, and part of that is a partnership with the Hancock Historical Museum, where you get to go over, get into the archives, dig around a little bit and find something that you want to work on. And that was the class where I really fell in love with archival research. It kind of completely changed my whole research trajectory. And it was just such an interesting project. I got to work with a set of samurai armor that is at the museum for some reason. And it's that project resulted in an updated display for that armor. It's actually still on display at the museum, and it looks really, really cool. So that's been fun. I was just there a couple of weeks ago and I got to see it. So that class, just being able to go out into the community to give back in some way, to really work with a community partner, to get to learn a new type of research was really rewarding, and that's had long-term effects on my career interests. Oh yeah, absolutely. Not only did we have that, we had classes where we had other professional development opportunities. So we put on a mock conference in one class, which meant the first time I presented at a national conference, I felt much more confident in being able to do that. So the program's designed in a way that really supports you, not just as a student, but as a professional and a person. And there are a lot of opportunities built in that support all of those things.